Katibu. Laptop kwani umerudisha? Nani? Sawa. 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 That's okay.
No.
Is my favorite. No, yeah. Kaziba zipigia watu ama kaziba kwake? Clear him. Clear him. In light of the above, as the county government of Machakos, we have demanded that the Ministry of Lands immediately halts the entire exercise of transfer of land records from Machakos registry to water registry altogether until a consultative meeting involving all the stakeholders is held to resolve the matter once and for all.
In 2010, public participation was done and signatures were taken, and IBC was asking us whether we want to be in Makueni, and we refused. So the actions of people of Makueni, because one, we don't know who is pushing for the lands from Kimutua, Katumani, Yaida, all the way to Konza to be pushed to Makueni, which is over 30 kilometers away, instead of people assessing. The purpose of devolution was to bring services near.